Hi guys, welcome on back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today's video is my Fabfitfun unboxing. Today we are going to be opening together the summer box, which is crazy. I do these every season. If you don't know who they are a seasonal box. You get pretty much everything: lifestyle, makeup, skincare, beauty, you name it. This box has it. I've been working with them for a few years now, and I never miss a beat with their boxes because they really are that good. So I have actually opened my box and I've been using the products because I just could not wait. I'm super impatient. So I was able to customize my box. So I kind of know what I have. Obviously, I've already opened it. Duh. So get ready, grab your cafecito, and let's jump into the summer 2021 Fabfitfun unboxing. Okay. I had to run downstairs and get the box because I forgot that I was using a few products, and now that I remember, I have another product that I need to bring upstairs. But Lincoln is taking a nap, and seriously, he's such a light sleeper that if I go into the room right now, he will probably wake up. He like senses his mother. So jumping into the box, as always, we do get a HelloFresh little gift card. I've been wanting to try this, and I always say I'm going to try it. This one honestly looks like it's pretty cool because this one gives you 14 free meals. I love to cook, so I think it's time for me to try it. So I keep saying so. First things first, how cute is this little silicone tray? It has little pineapples. I thought this one would be super cute to make little pineapple shaped ice cubes and throw them into like my iced coffees. This is by the brand Blush, and this is just a pineapple shaped ice mold. Also, these would come in really handy for summertime, and I do prepare my own baby's food. I make him like pineapple and mango, strawberry and banana, just different foods, and I freeze them for future meals. And I think this one would be cute for little snacks that I can take with me. I'm excited for this one. This one I haven't tried it because I knew that if I opened it now, I was going to forget about it or it was going to be in use. So I am going to use it now that it is out of the box. Next thing, you're going to notice that I got a few different like kitchenware products, and that's because again I love cooking. So I'm pretty sure I chose this. It is so random, but this is why I love this box, is because you get to choose products that you love and you know that you're gonna use, right? So this is a citrus squeezer. I mean, nothing crazy, just your regular little lemon squeezer. I love making limonadas from fresh lemons with strawberries or agua de sandia, agua de melon. Oh my gosh, I love anything that's like fresh fruits waters. And these just come in handy because, girl, my hands are small, I'm weak, and I need something that's going to squeeze the lemons for me. I actually lost all my like lemon squeezers when we moved from Utah to Texas. So when I saw this one, I was like, yes, it's coming in super handy. Next up is a product that my husband already claimed. He's like, these are for me, so I haven't opened them. This is by the brand Liquid IV. These are little hydration packets. I've heard of these and I've heard that they're really good. So they contain electrolytes, which are really good for your body to replenish it if you are lacking hydration. These are amazing. I know these are going to come in handy so much if we go out during the summer, like, I don't know, zoos or wherever we decide to go. These are going to be necessary. I wish I would have used these when I was pregnant because I was constantly thirsty. Like, I felt like I just could not quench my thirst, and I am really bad at reaching for like soda versus water. My favorite soda to drink when I'm thirsty is Squirt. It's like my favorite one. And I know so much sugar, but I'm so bad at that. So I'm looking forward to trying this stick. It says here that one stick equals to multiple hydration. They have different flavors: lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. If you guys have tried these liquid IVs, let me know your thoughts because I'm really curious to try those out. This is a product that when I saw it on their website as I was customizing my box, I was like, yes, I need to try it. I love trying out different brands of dry shampoo because my absolute favorite is Batiste. I have tried so many. I've tried Dove, I've tried Tresemme, I've tried Not Your Mother's, I've tried Aussie, pretty much you name it from the drugstore, and I've pretty much tried every single one, and I always go back to Batiste. There's something about their formula that just really works with my hair. So this one is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. It actually cleanses the hair and eliminates oil, sweat, and odor. I don't wash my hair very often. This hair is from, I washed it on Friday. So it is a little bit oily, which is why I didn't put any dry shampoo because I remember that I had this one. I've already used it 2 times and I really like it. So I'm going to show you guys how. This one, the smell is so delicious and it's not overpowering. It's just like a very soft, like powder scent. I don't know, and I love that it takes, as you can see, like it completely took the greasiness from my hair. And my hair has been extra greasy because I've been using an oil, especially on my edges to like regrow all my baby hair and my bald spot that I have right here. So my hair has been like on another level of oiliness. Usually my hair is more dry, which is why I don't wash it as often. But like I like that this dry shampoo doesn't take the shininess away from my hair. It doesn't look dull, it doesn't look flat. If anything, it gives it a little bit of volume. So I really like this one, and I know that Living Proof is an expensive brand, but if I genuinely like it after I finish it, then I will probably pick up a bottle because the scent to me is just, this is a product that I had been trying to get for months and then I just never bought it because I was like, I don't need it, I don't need it. But this is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. This isn't new, but I remember when they came out with it, I was like, that looks pretty amazing, like watermelon and then dewy. Yes, I don't know how much use I'm actually going to get out of this one, but I'm still going to use it maybe as a prepping setting spray. And this is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute. It's just like a clear plastic bottle, and I'm gonna spray it. I actually did use this one. It smells so good. I'm going to use a little bit. I hope I don't get too oily, but I'm not really going anywhere today. Next up, I have here this Fruit Butter Lip Mask. Oh my gosh, if you guys can see my drawer, I have way too many chapsticks, lipsticks, or not lipsticks, like lip glosses, lip balms. I just love them. So this one is by the brand Seraphine Botanicals. This one though is an overnight lip mask. And it's funny because at night I suck at applying anything on my lips. I will drench my skin in oils and products and I tend to neglect the lips. So when I saw this one, I was like, this is something that I should pick up and keep in my nightstand so I can actually use it. Also, this is a cruelty-free and vegan brand, and it contains shea butter and apricot kernel oil to help deliver intense hydration, softness, and elasticity while you sleep. I haven't gotten my lips done in a long time. It's been a little bit over a year. If you didn't know, hi, yes, I've gotten my lips done in the past. Oh my gosh, this lip mask smells heavenly and it feels so nice. You see how like thick it is? It just, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. And I've noticed that since I haven't gotten my lips done in a while, they've definitely like reduced in plumpness and my lips have gotten wrinkly again, which is the main reason why I got my lips done, was because my lips were so wrinkly, like really bad, and it helped a lot. Also, I got this liquid lipstick by the brand Mented, and I believe it is in the shade Peachy Keen, which if you know me, you know that I love anything that is peach colored. This one was sent to me at random. There are options where you can just say send me whatever. This color is really pretty. I don't know that I see myself really using it, even though it's called Peachy Keen. It does have some peachy tones to it, but not really. It's just not a color that I guess I naturally would gravitate towards. The packaging is really cute. and it just smells like a regular liquid lipstick. So that's the only product that I was like, okay, I'm not really excited for. This is something that I chose and I was like, oh my gosh, I really hope I get this product because I love anything that's Ray done. So when I saw that they had this guac and salsa bowl set, I was like, yes, I need it. Oh my gosh, I just spit everywhere. Ew, disgusting. This is the little salsa set. Are you kidding me? And then it comes with a little wooden spoon. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to make some salsa, like some spicy salsa. Oh, if you guys want to see like a recipe on spicy salsas, let me know. And then this is the little guac. How adorable is this? Okay, I do have one last product to show you guys, but I need to run downstairs to my bathroom to get it. Fingers crossed I don't wake up Lincoln. Mission was successful. Okay, so the very last product, and this has to be my absolute favorite thing from the entire box, and that is this PMD little face brush. Whew, I'm out of breath. This one comes with a battery and it also comes with a little stand, and this lives in my shower. So I just pop this on, maybe. Something like that. But it sits here and I love that it doesn't move. It is battery operated and it's waterproof, which is the best thing. When you turn it on, that's the lowest setting. Second. And then this one, it vibrates. And then this one pulsates. And that is it. I love this stuff. So I guess these sonic vibrations really help with like cleaning out your skin, bringing out the impurities and just removing dirt, oil, makeup, anything. And then on the back side, you can actually use this for your serums. I haven't used it yet for that because usually I'm in the shower and by the time that I get out, I forget. But I love this stuff. This one is like 100 and some. I will have the price list right here. But this product is really expensive. It just makes this whole box worth it. Just this one item for me. I just can't emphasize how much I love Fabfitfun. Genuinely, even if they would not sponsor my videos, I would still just order the box because I always get very good products. So that is it for my summer 2021 Fabfitfun unboxing. I always feel like I'm going to like mess that up because I feel like it's a little bit of a tongue twister. So I would love to know if you guys have signed up. If not, you can use my code. I will have it on the screen right here and that'll save you $10 off your first box. Seriously, you need to try this box. It's one of the best out there, and the fact that you can customize your products is just a plus for me. So let me know what your favorites were. For me, the Ray Done sets definitely takes the cake, but the PMD, it's a must. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.